It's finally here. It's May 11th. I have my best friend Scott's here,
Hello.
boyfriend, Jen and Joe, my caretakers after my surgery, and my other best friends, and my brother Brian, who has been a big help through a lot of this. Today's the day where we meet with the surgeon, financial advisor, nutritionist, do the 6-minute walk, PFTs, clinic where I meet with the doctors, and I think that's it. It's going to be a very long day, but hopefully this will be the last appointment for a month, maybe two. And next month I have to repeat a couple tests that are like every 6 months, x-rays, that kind of thing. No big deal. So today's the day. After this appointment, they present my case to the whole entire team and make a decision whether they're going to put me on the lung transplant waiting list. So thank you for all your support. Need some more prayers today, and I will talk to you soon.